A very good morning to you all students. This is the module 3 of your chapter Forms of Market Structure, and today we are going to discuss about monopoly. The meaning of the word mono is single. Okay, so the meaning of the term monopoly is single seller. So monopoly is a market where there is only one seller and a large number of buyers. Okay, monopoly is a market where there is one seller and a large number of buyers. Indian Railways is the example of monopoly. The Railways Department of India, Indian Railways, is the only one to give rail services in India, and there is no close substitutes. I don't find any substitutes working for railways or rail services in India. Okay, there is only one company or firm, and that is Indian Railways, operated by Ministry of India. Now, features of monopoly. The first feature is single seller. I told you in the meaning itself, in monopoly there is single seller for a product. Okay, I told you earlier also in monopoly there is single seller. I gave you the example of rail services in India. Indian Railways is the only one seller of rail services in India. Okay, the second point is closed entry. That one seller does not let any other firm enter the market. Like Indian Railways does not let any other firm or company enter the market. It's a closed or restricted entry for the other sellers or the firms. Other sellers cannot, enter the market because there are some contractual obligations. Okay, due to some contracts they cannot enter the market. Third point is absence of close substitutes. I told you there is no close substitutes, or there is no substitutes for rail services in India. Only Indian Railways provide that service, okay, of railways. So we say that a monopoly becomes a single seller. The seller becomes the single seller and the operating factor of the market, because there is no close substitutes for that product in the market. Next point is price maker. When the seller does not let any other person enter the market, and at the same time he is the single seller, they will become the price maker. Okay, seller will decide its own price. They can influence the price, so they become price maker. Who is a price maker? A price maker is one who can charge his own price or who can influence the price. He is not guided by anyone. Okay, so Indian Railways, they make their own price. They decide the own price in which they are going to sell their services. Okay, so they become price maker. A price maker is one who can influence and charge his own price as per his wish. In perfect competition, the firm is price taker. They cannot influence or change the price at all. But in monopoly, the seller is the price maker. He will decide the price at which he is going to sell the product. The last point is price discrimination. The meaning of price discrimination is charging different, prices from different people. For example, the Electricity Board in India, they have different charges or different units of electricity for people living in household, यानी जो घर पे रहते हैं, and they have a higher rate of electricity for industrial purposes. Service is the same. Okay, service is the same. It is providing electricity, but they charge different electricity rates, lesser or cheaper electricity rates for household purposes or domestic purposes. जब घर के लिए यूज करते हैं तो electricity is cheaper in nature, and when the electricity is used for industrial purposes, it has higher rate. और जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज होता है फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पसेस वो ज्यादा महंगा होता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. That's all for today, students. Thank you.